All right, starting another one.
There's another one. Bo?
Frag out.
I guess.
Dang.
Ooh.
One blew up one day.
Ooh. Dude, the planet. Did you see that? Looked like Saturn.
Uranus.
Uranus.
They still that these days?
That sucker like one fell over and they started coming out.
Oh, that's cool how the half of it's one color and the other half is the other.
I like the purple one. Spaceship? Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
I just said that.
Oh, you better.
I like the purple one because purple.
No way, it's mine too.
Walk to the other end of the line. Alright, go down, start again, baby.
Yep, truck moving.
Uh-huh. If they line them up on a stand, walk down it.
You know what I just noticed? They'll pop, and after 4 seconds, you'll know.
Yeah. It takes time for sound.
Man, that sounds like a whole bunch of duck hunters. Some like really big 10 gauge shotgun.
Shut up! Shut up!
Oh, that was kind of cool.
Yeah,
That was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jessica, why don't you put one of the boys in the car, in your car and ride with me?
Oh, that was a silent one.
Jessica. You too, Aubrey.
Baseball!
Genetic?
The X thing?
Of course you'd find something like that.
Oh, you better. Oh, that's kind of good.
How about after that week? They had a firework.
Oh, yeah.
That did look like
JJ.
What, that?
Those are going away.
Oh, God.
That was a big one.
So the Chinese designed these jellies.
I'm not talking to Carol about the fireworks.
See it?
I'm ignoring Daryl during the fireworks.
No, give me the phone. Really?
Video 12 minutes.
What do I do?
So,
Adrian.
oh my gosh.
Well, that me and Lee.
That wasn't me.
Yeah.
Big one. No, never mind.
I don't know one of the big ones.
What was that? Yeah, we're videotaping it. We haven't seen it posted on YouTube maybe yet or something. We'll get you a copy of it. Can you hear them? Can you hear them? Yeah. Okay. Alright, I love you.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Alright. I won't.
Oh,
Okay.
Egg.
Cool.
Who's that?
See how some of them are like,
Here, Aiden. He's going to bed.
Dead face.
Oh, sweet.
That's my eyeball. And nose.
Don't worry.
It's going back crazy.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. We're back on 2 now.
Dude, that one didn't like change for that.
Yes. I like it when they fall like that right there.
look at that plane driving by.
I know,
I
right?
bet they're like, hell yeah.
Peace. That was a peace sign.
Yeah.
How big up drive in them?
No, it's way away. Just looks close. Yeah, that was going way up there.
Boom, boom.
There's right up there.
Like, hell yeah, we put the right front wheel.
That one in Washington the other night was gorgeous, wasn't it? On that
Oh,
zone.
yeah.
It's only 15 minutes.
What?
Yeah.
Halfway home.
Oh, you know it. In a circle.
I can pee.
It's like a horse's head on a chest piece.
Hell, you can pee right there. Nobody's going to be looking at you.
Right, everybody's looking at
Well, we need to pull out quick.
Yeah, me going to fly to the car. You're serious.
No, because we got all this crap we got to pick up.
So weird.
We need to start picking it up now. Let's start picking chairs up.
I'm putting my chair up last because I'm recording.
We're going to put the chairs in so we can hop up.
Where's that?
Trash. Oh, that was cool. Hang on. Wait right there on the blanket.
Where do we put trash? You are. I know you did not just throw that can in the back of my truck.
Where it went.
Nope. I got it
I
right
just
here. Cleaned it out.
Clean it out again.
Here, those are yours.
Hey, you want to see my own firework I made? Watch.
Hi. Hey, you stay over here.
Turn those lights
You
off.
watch my firework.
It's okay. It's all right. I'm going to open up the back.
Come on, Frederick. I believe he's a little lopsided.
Walk behind me.
Huh?
Walk behind me if you're going to go.
Look at Frederick. I think something's wrong with Frederick. Me too. Can you tell me something? What's wrong with Frederick? He has no headache.
Look at this through binoculars.
Yeah. Hey, look. Hey, there's a light. $3. Hey. $5 for the last 3.
Mom, $5.